Welcome to US Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to create a signature in Gmail account. Just showing you here with a detailed explanation. Just have a look. Well, before starting this session, please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on bell button so you can get an updates on daily basis. So the thing is, initially what you have to do is just open the web browser, any web browser, and just log in into your Gmail account. Well, I already log in my Gmail account, so I think no need to show this how to log in on Gmail accounts and everything. So after logging into your Gmail account, on the top right side you can see here these setting buttons. Click on that settings button. It will show you all the setting buttons over here, but what you need to do is you have to click on see all settings. So after clicking the settings button, it will be displayed like this. So what you have to do is go to general. Here there are few inputs which are available right now. Just scroll down the mouse. So here you can find to create a new signature. You can see here signature. So I already have the signature button, but what I do is I'm just creating the new signature here. You can give any name with your comfortability. So I just created here thanks and regard with the name. So here you need to give your inputs. Here you can give your name and what is your designation and which company you are working on, and you have to give the email ID of yours, either your personal ID or official email ID. And next, just give your phone number. It's your number, and if you have any hangout ID as well as your LinkedIn account. You can paste here your LinkedIn details. That would be enough. Once if you're done here, you have to check here with the default signatures. So I'm just going for thanks and regard for the new emails which I'm going to send you to any other person. And at the same time, when I receive any emails, if I want to reply or forwarding to that email ID, so There also we need to add our signature. Once if you're done here, just click on save button. You can check here, you can get it here with the details with the or with your signature. So you can add anything, you can add up more. So to whom you want to send the emails, without adding any signatures, directly it will be appear here. If you have any queries, just comment in the below section so I can respond to that comment. Thank you, have a good day.